Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we've got a 2019 Kia Forte, and on this Kia Forte we're going to go over how you'd remove this front window. Right, this is your driver's side window. It works for all the windows. The back windows there's a little bit different you would do too, but the front windows would be the same. So number one, we need to, there's a couple ways to get this window into the location it needs to be. I've made a measurement and it's 6 inches from the outside weather stripping to the top, and you have some leeway, so you could be anywhere between 5.5 to 6.5. But this one is right at 6, and that puts where the bolts are right here in the middle. So you gotta pop these caps to be able to get to the bolts, to loosen them and to remove it. And being that we have the motor right here, this is your other option. You can loosen this motor as long as you have this window up anywhere where you can grab it. When you loosen this, you can raise and lower the window where you need to be able to loosen that up. So the window is at the height where we can get access to the screws here. Now we're just going to go ahead and take them out. The back one, I believe, is just a clamp one, so we just need to loosen it. The front one, we want to remove completely. And with that undone, then you're going to raise the window, bring it at an angle with the front down, and now you can pull the whole glass out the top and remove the glass window. So that's how you remove the window on your 2019 Kia Forte. So to install your driver window, you're going to take it, put it at an angle, being facing down. Then we got to make sure we get this to go behind the weather stripping there. And just kind of work it down through. Worked it down, it's sitting down here in place. The screw for the front one lines up right there. You tighten that one up. We go ahead and tighten this one up, and this one is just a clamp that clamps it between there. Just get it snug, and then take our little rubber covers, press them in place. And that's how you reinstall your front driver's side window on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.